Hey guys, it's Chris from Smithy Finance, and this is the midday market report for February 21. So, look, it's a decidedly ugly day right now, and I do not like sell offs on a Friday, especially deep sell offs. Right now, we got the Dow off 700, we've got the NASDAQ off 290, Toronto's down 300. Toronto's been crap all day, all the commodity stocks are lower. We've got Bitcoin lower now. There's been a hack, it sounds, of an Ethereum site or a wallet for 1.5 billion. We had all the cryptos up this morning. Bitcoin hit 99.4, 0.5. Right now we're 96.8, 96,800. Ethereum's down $74. It had been up quite a bit earlier in the day. Now, I am not an Ethereum guy. I'm a Bitcoin maxi, and there has been all sorts of shenanigans in the meme coins, and now we're seeing this Ethereum wallet being hacked, whatever it is. I don't know the details, but it's negative, and it's pulling everything down. It's not pulling the market down. The market was already weak, as I said. We've got gold down $4, which is like zero. That's percentage wise, that's nothing. Silver's down 50 cents. That's a big move. Copper down 6 cents. That's a big move. Palladium down 20. Oils are being hit pretty hard. Oil down $1.78. So look, everything is ugly. And like I said in a moment ago, sell-offs on Friday are ugly because we get newspaper headlines and articles and such through the weekend pointing at the ugliness of the Friday session. And often you will have a gap down on the Monday, or at least a lower open on Monday. Most of the crashes of my career, if not all of them, have been on Mondays after much consternation on the weekend, and maybe margin calls come in on the Monday morning because of the Friday action, and you can get a whoosh down. So I've gotten smaller. I have done some selling. I'm a professional trader. I cannot afford to be stubborn or to wait. I'm not getting a lot smaller, but I am selling. I've sold some MicroStrategy, some strategy, which is my favorite position, but I've let some go. Sold some Semler. I've sold some of my gold stocks. I've sold a little bit of oil. Just across the board, I'm getting smaller. I cannot risk my lifestyle. That's how I look at it. And look, some days are bad days, and you just have to, react to it. You cannot afford to put your head in the sand and ignore it and think it's going to go away. I mean, it might be. I might be buying all these positions back on Monday or Tuesday at higher prices. I hope I am, because I still own much more than what I've sold. But I've taken some defensive action here to reduce my risk, my weekend risk especially. And a lot of traders will have this philosophy as well, that they don't want to risk over the weekend. So I've got, I mean, everything on my watch list here. You can't really see that, but it's all red. And this red, it's deep red. My Ivanhoe IVN, which I like a lot, down 7%. Aya down 4%. Galaxy, which I don't own, down 5%. Anyway, there's one green one here, which is an oil stock that I like, but everything else is down and is quite red. And if I go to my US page, um, yeah, I mean, they're all red. Everything's red. 5%, 4.7%, 7.5%, 8.4%. 3.6%, 4 point, like the uraniums, of course, are just garbage. They keep selling off. Reddit down. I did add a little Reddit earlier today. I'm still don't have my full position, so I still have bids. So I bought some at 166. Now I've got a 160 bid. But as I said before, my bids are small. They're getting a little bigger as the stock comes down. So, buying 10 at 200 and 15 at 190 and 20 at 180, and, that sort of idea. So not getting too big. I'm still at maybe 1/3 of the position I want. So that's okay. But I'm way over weight on my MicroStrategy because it's gone up so much. But yeah, like I said, I've sold some here, and honestly, it's a crappy day. It's a crappy day all around. I'm going to be down big. This is how it is. When you trade stocks, we make our best educated guesses, and it's a humbling game. One of my rules is, for God's sake, stay humble. I think that was rule number 8 or lesson number 8. And if you're not humble, it will humble you in a hurry. And if you look on X, there's some traders, some young guys, young shooters that are in the coin space and the meme coin and the small cryptos, and they're getting crushed, and they're on here basically crying, and how unfair it is. Well, this is life. I mean, trading is unforgiving, and as I also said on one of my other lessons of a 41-year veteran trader, is that the pro traders love nothing more than to destroy the innocent and naive and perhaps overconfident young traders. So the pros are seeing what I'm seeing. They've got way more ammo than I do, and they're selling. I'm sure they're selling some. Now, maybe there'll be a rally into the close. I hope so, which would negate some of the Monday risk. It's only, what time is it? It's like 1:40 right now, 1:39 Eastern. So, and listen, 2.5 hours is a long time for the market, but it could also drop another 300 or 400 points, and then that would almost guarantee a weak Monday morning opening. So be aware, be forewarned. Maybe take a little off. That's just what I'm doing. I'm not saying that's what you have to do. It depends what your positions look like. It might be a great day for you to add a little bit, as I am with the Reddit. But overall, I am reducing my exposure to stocks just on the potential risk of a Monday sell-off. Let's hope not. It's been not the best week, but so it goes in the market. All right, guys, that's all I've got. I will come out with part 4 of my lessons of my lessons series on Sunday. So keep an eye for that if you're interested. Otherwise, I'll see you on Monday. All right, take care.